Hello students, I hope all of you are doing well. Be safe and happy Eid to all of you. I am your computer teacher. Today in this video, I will discuss the question answers of lesson 1 of class 8. As I have already discussed the lesson in the class earlier, so let's start with the question answers now. So, number 1 question answer, number E1. What is networking? Give some common relevant examples. Networking can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. So, what is networking? Networking is a group of many computers and some peripheral devices which are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and our hardware resources like printers, speakers, etc. Some examples of networking are internet, ATM services, etc. These are the examples of networking. So, moving to the next question. Number 2. List some advantages of networking. Some advantages of networking are efficient use of storage media. When you use networking, storage media's use is become efficient. You can use the storage media efficiently. Next, preserving information. When we use networking, preserving information will become easier. Next one, reduction in hardware costs. Hardware cost will be deducted when we use networking. Efficiency. The computer become more efficient when we use networking. Redundancy. Networking reduces the use of hard copies. Quickest document delivery. Document delivery will become more quicker when we use networking. So, moving to the next question. Differentiate between LAN and WAN. So, the differences between LAN and WAN are discussed below. LAN 1. The full form of LAN is local area network. The full form of LAN is local area network. But the full form of WAN is wide area network. This is the basic difference between LAN and WAN. The next difference is in LAN, 2 or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within small area. In LAN, more than 2 or more than 2 computers are connected in small area and peripheral devices also connected within small area. In WAN, connects 2 or more computers located at faraway places, but WAN connects 2 or more computers which are located in faraway places. Next one. In LAN, computer terminals are physically connected with wires. In LAN, computer terminals are connected with wires. But in WAN, computers are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signals. In WAN, computers are linked with some communication facilities which are telecommunication and satellite signals. Now moving to the next question, number 4. What do you understand by network security? Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. So what is network security? Network security means protecting our data from unauthorized access. Who are not given permission to access the data cannot access our data. This is network security. Question number 5. Explain client server network. So we have learned the client server network at the class. So in this question it is asked to describe client server network. Client server network is a network where several computers called client or workstations are connected to the main computer called the server. Client server network is also a network where some computers are called clients and some are called server. Those computers which are called client or workstations are connected to a main computer which is called server. Okay, students, hope all of you have understand the question answers. So learn at home. Thank you.